Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the... No, it's not what comes in the mail, that's unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. This is Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got the second of another two-parter of Prima Taste stuff. So, we're going to start off with this one from my top 10 list. This is their Wholegrain LaMian. I absolutely adore this. Now, you can't just go, oh hey, you just like boil up some water and you throw this stuff in and it just goes, right? No, there's a little more than that. More to it than that, I should say. So the first thing you do is you do your mixes, and this is the curry paste. So you dump that in. Big sachets here. Here's the paste. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. That's my daughter. She's got a little keyboard thing my buddy Matt gave the kids for Christmas a couple years ago. And anyways, it's kind of nice because my son isn't here, and if he was here, he'd be like losing his mind. I would have to be telling the Echo, okay, set a 10-minute timer, and so they would each get turns and not like eat each other's brains, I swear. And then we've got the coconut powder, which is Premix B, and it's literally coconut milk powder. That goes right in there. And now this water is not to a boil. So what you do is you kind of stir it all up. And there we go. And then we bring it to a boil. That's my daughter, ladies and gentlemen. Super noisy. So we're bringing that to a boil. And this is what's left in here are the noodles. While that happens, we're gonna make this Prima Satay fried rice. That sounds good. I know there's probably a lot of you going, dude, why are you showing us stuff that we can't get? It's like, well, because they sent it and I told them I'd let you see. You might be in Singapore for all I know, so then you could probably get it. But yeah, you just snip it right there. And then 90 seconds at 800 watts. And there goes that. So things are going well. So Friday was 1 year since I started, or actually since my doctor told me I had high cholesterol, I needed to do something about it. That was Friday, October 18th, 2018, and this is Monday. So Friday was, wait, that doesn't make any No, it was just, I don't know what day it was, probably a Thursday last year, but this Friday was October 18th, 2019. I'm gonna do a video about what happened, good things. So, actually, I didn't just go to the doctor to get my weight done. I went to the doctor because I've got like, I ended up with, it sounds like kind of like a viral pneumonia kind of thing. So they gave me a antibiotic and junk, and feeling pretty good. They gave me, what do you call it, prednisone. But it was like, oh, you gotta be careful of that. That stuff is kind of weird. I take a lot of caffeine, man. I do tons of it, but that made my heart race. I don't know, kind of leaning away, easing back on the caffeine while that's going. And now it's time to burn myself again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't get on the stove. Okay. So the noodle liquid, the broth is ready to go. So I'm going to put the noodles in there. Massively wonderful noodle block. At this point, we boil for another 7 minutes. There we go. So there goes that. Got a little push in there. Yes, yes. And let's cut this off of here. There we go. Yeah! Comes out easy enough. I kind of like that. This is like a chicken satay. I was gonna try to make chicken satay to go with it. But the best I could come up with is I just took some chicken and baked it in the oven in kind of like, I guess, satay size pieces. Not that it really needs it because it's already full of chicken. Some spring onion. Turn this down slightly. I don't know, do we want an egg in here? I don't know. I want another bite of this, that's for sure. Big old chunks of chicken. Drop that in. Eggy wag, hello, hello. And we're just gonna slice this sucker in half. Yeah. Little pinch of the spicy. Oh, it got turned off. You need help? Okay. See the camera? Yeah. Say hi. You gotta wave and say hi. Here you go. Hey, you're welcome. There. All good again. Throw on a little bit of seeds. And I think we'll leave it at that. So let's let this rotate with a little bit of music. We got a couple minutes left, so we'll do that for a few seconds. Alrighty, so I'm just going to leave these in the microwave for a bit. And we still got a few seconds left over here. So we're going to do a little something. Alright, so I want to throw in some things for the last few seconds. Got some tofu puff. And we got some mung bean sprouts. I really like mung bean sprouts. I don't know if you noticed. Those are like my favorite. And then we'll have, oh, here we go. We got other stuff to add in too. All right. And we don't want it rotating while I dump in the heavy noodles. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah. I swear, sometimes these eggs are happy as a clam to cooperate, and sometimes they're just not. So I can do that. Yeah. We got some chicken. I made all this spring onion, I better use it. What else we got? We're gonna try this. We'll see if it works well. That was a little much. Better even it out. And then on this side, where it seems to be lighter, see what I did there? And then some chili flake all around. Got some chili oil. And just a touch of Szechuan pepper. And there you go. All right. I gotta say, I love how this broth ends up looking. It's just so nice, so cool. Let's rotate. Alright, well, cool. Thank you to the folks over at Prima for shooting all this stuff over. I really appreciate it. Check out the ready meals if you're in Singapore, and you can get this whole grain curry locally in the US. So, if you've got a lot of Asian groceries in your area, go check those out. Try all the cool stuff you can find there. If you don't, hit up Amazon. You can find it on there. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.